Good morning, everyone. Let's assume the following scenario. You have a 102-page text, like the one being shown, and you want to include a product code, the product name, the number of times it was sold, and the revenue. In other words, you need 4 columns: the code, the product name, the number of sales, and the revenue. Doing this manually would take a considerable amount of time. The idea is to automate the process of taking the original text and transforming it into a simplified version. Note that parts that did not belong to the yellow lines have been deleted. In the end, you will have a text like this. With this text, simply select it, press Ctrl-T, copy it with Ctrl-C, open an Excel spreadsheet, and paste it with Ctrl-V. This way, you will have your data copied to Excel. You only need to add the header, which should contain all the content of the original file. Now let's see how this can be done automatically. This method will delete the sections of the text that are not necessary. In order not to damage the original text, it is advisable to make a copy. So that is what I'm going to do. You must select everything with Ctrl-T if you are using the Portuguese version of Word, or Ctrl-A if the version is in English. Then copy it to the clipboard. Then open a new Word document and paste it with Ctrl-V. First, go to the Replace option, which can be accessed by the shortcut key Ctrl-U. In the first step, we will use the codes from the Find field. I will copy and paste these codes into the Replace field. Now, I will insert the desired expression. Done. With that, you must be in the context of the file you want to work with. Place the cursor at the beginning and click on Replace All. The program will perform 100 replacements. Let's check if everything is correct. At the end, it will leave some text that you can delete manually, since it is a simple software. So you will have already completed the first step. In the second step, you will use the code that is here, exactly as it is without spaces. That's it for this example. I will show you how it works. I copied and pasted it, and in the second step, I'm going to use this code in the Replace field. I minimize the window, and in the context of the text that I'm going to work with in the second step, I place the cursor at the beginning. I'll run the Replace All option, making sure that the cursor is at the beginning. When I click Replace All, the program will perform 200 replacements, which is what we wanted. We check if the process was completed correctly. Basically, that's it. The third step is to select everything, copy and paste it into an Excel spreadsheet. I've included some guidance materials on how to perform searches in Word and other applications using regular expressions. The links will be available in the description and are here. The syntax, in many aspects, is similar to that of most other applications. What I recommend is that you take a text and experiment. There are examples available from Microsoft. Here on Wikipedia, there is also quality material on regular expressions. This is a topic with multiple applications. It can be used in programming, in search applications, and there is an entire theory of computer science that underpins it. There are many studies on the grammar of regular expressions. I hope you enjoy them. I ask for the usual: like, comment, share. If you want to be notified of new posts on this channel, also click on the YouTube bell. Until next time.